Hey guys, welcome to this first lesson from my No Bowl Guide to Jazz Piano. This lesson today is on 3 basic rhythms. Okay, so rhythm number 1 is just 4/8 notes. And in case you're wondering, well, why do we even have to go through rhythm anyway? It's going to be extremely important for improvisation and comping chords. So anyway, let's go through this first rhythm. You can see it's just playing it on the note G. You could tap it, you could clap it, you could play it on the piano. Let's just go ahead through it. So it's D ba D ba. Okay, that's how we vocalize this rhythm. So it's D ba D ba. Let's try playing it again. Ready, go. D ba D ba. Nice and slow. D ba D ba. Right, that's how we vocalize it. If you need help with the vocalization, my Rhythm Essentials course will be great for you back at JAZZEDGE. All right, so let's just try this again. 1, 2, ready, go. D ba D ba. Whoop, made a mistake there. Let's try it again. Ready, go. D ba D ba. All right, good. Now you'll notice that right over here, see that rest right in there? Okay, that's a half note rest. So that means you're not doing anything right there. It's just D ba D ba, and then you just rest. Okay, so that's the first rhythm, rhythm number 1. Let's move on to rhythm number 2. Now this one is a little bit different because what you'll notice is right in the beginning here we have an 8th rest. And that 8th rest is basically resting for the value of an 8th note, which is half of a beat. So what I typically suggest is you say something like right? So ba dee ba. So it's let's go through that again. So it'd be ba dee, whoops, sorry, ba dee ba. Okay, so we go back, ba dee ba. Right? Now, when we do this, you want to do it in time. So if we're thinking D, ba, D, ba, D, ba, D, ba, those are our 8th notes. It would be ba, D, ba. Right? And notice the last 8th note, I don't hold this out. I don't go ba, D, ba, and I keep that there. It's an 8th note, and once again, what do you have afterwards? You have that half rest. So you shouldn't be playing in there. So this last note should be nice and short, right? Let's try going back and do it again. Now, during the rest, I'm just gonna open my hand while I say the So 1, 2, ready, go. Ba, dee, ba. Okay, nice job. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Ba, dee, whoops, sorry. All right, 1, 2, ready, go. Ba, dee, ba. Okay? All right, good. Let's move on to rhythm number 3. Now, rhythm number 3 could be written like this. It's not a great way of writing this rhythm, and I'm going to show you an alternate way of writing it in just a second. But basically what we're doing is we're taking 3 8th notes, and you see how they're tied together? That's what that little slur marking underneath there. If it was between different notes, that would be a slur. Since it's the same note, we call it a tie. All right, so that tie means you hold those notes together. So an 8th note typically gets half of a beat. In this case, it would get, well, half, right? So half a beat, then another half, and then another half. So it gets 1.5 beats, right? Now, another way of writing this would be like this, a dotted quarter note. And we'd say da, ba. So da, ba, da, ba, da, ba. Now, again, we have this half note rest afterwards, and that means that we shouldn't be playing anything. Another option is that we could hold the other note out. So that would be like this. Da, ba, da, ba, da, ba. Now, a question you might say, well, how do I vocalize that half note? You could say ba, do, oo. A lot of times I just hold it out and you kind of feel that extra 2 beats there. It would be da, ba, da, ba, or da, ba, do, oo, da, ba, do, oo, da, ba, da, ba. Now this second rhythm is especially useful for comping chords. So if we're going to do like, to kind of hold that out. Now we could do the first one, which would be, sorry. So see how that's short? So if I did that one right up here. Da, ba, da, ba. Or da, ba, da, ba, da, ba. So you see how I hold that out. All right, so those are the 3 rhythms that we need to go through. Let's just go through them once more real quickly just to make sure we got them all. So the first one is dee ba dee ba. Okay, again, let's back that up. Dee ba dee ba. Let's back it up one more time. Ready, go. Dee ba dee ba. Okay, great. All right, next rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Ba dee ba. So let's back that up again. Ready, go. Ba dee ba. Next rhythm, number 3, it would be da ba, da ba, da ba, or da ba, da ba. All right, so you start with those 3 rhythms first. All right, so now the practice, the very first thing you should do is just practice vocalizing those rhythms just like we did in this lesson. The next thing is try tapping them with the note G, and you'll see why playing them with the note G is going to become important as we move along. Now, as a bonus, if you want, you could do those rhythms while playing a C chord, either a C major or a C minor. Dee ba dee ba, da ba, ba dee ba, ba dee ba. Okay, so rhythm number 1 would be dee ba dee ba, ba dee ba, and rhythm number 3, da ba. All right. The other thing you could do as a bonus is try playing a chord instead of a single note. So try playing, you know, like the C chord, dee ba dee ba, or ba dee ba, or da ba. So you're just playing a chord. Here I'm playing a C major triad in the right hand, and I'm just playing the note C in the left hand. All right, next steps. Very first thing is, please do me a favor. If you like the video, go ahead and like it and leave your questions and comments below the video, especially if you're on YouTube, okay? Second of all, please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you know when I come out with a new video. And the third thing is to download the sheet music. If you are on YouTube, you'll see the link right below the video. If you're at the JAZZEDGE site or No Bowl Piano site and you are already a member, you'll see the music right to the right-hand side of the video. All right, so that's it for me. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys soon.